Hi everyone, if you are interested to learn how to do transition on CapCut in PC, then keep watching. For example, I have a 4 picture in my project. Drag it to the timeline and then go to the transition effects on the menu bar, and here you can see these are the trending transition right now. You can also check the drop down list to the different transitions under the camera, light effects, overlay, pro. So far right now I am using trending and I'm using the slice reveal, this one. You just need to drag it to the between the two photos, and now play it and check it how this transition works. And here you can see that it has been sliced. For more, double click on that. You can also increase the duration by sliding towards the right side and play it. So you can see that the transition duration has been increased, and if you want to decrease the transition, you need to move on the left side. So now play again. So you can see that the transition effects is quickly gone. And similarly, if you want to apply another transition, you just pull it and drag to the in between the two photos. Play it and check it. So here you can see that this is the mix transition. If you want to increase the time again, just increase the time, and here you can see that the transition box is stretched. So it's very simple and not a big deal. So you just need to practice it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.